Yeah,
So-
guys, this is what happens when you don't pay attention in college and don't get a job, and then you have to start a podcast with your friends,
Yeah.
and then you get a shit ton of hate, which is, yes, funny, but also like, why?
And then in my junior college where I still had friends, they were like, these people to fight with the professors. Please give me this.
And I'll
like,
give you a head. Best to be prepared than sorry. What is
Yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah.
better to be sorry than
Better safe than sorry.
better safe than. We were getting there.
Somebody told me when I was young that they're gonna be drug addicts and they're gonna offer you drugs. Where are my drugs at? I haven't been offered drugs once.
Pucha bhi nahi.
Do you remember my septum ring?
I hated Hindi in college.
Real.
Ew, bro. Like,
I also had Hindi in my first year.
Same. Even I had
I
Hindi.
didn't. I took French.
College teaches you to steal.
Yeah.
Beg, borrow, no. Only steal. Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharam.
So before we start the episode, we just got to know that 75% of our viewers on YouTube have not subscribed. Like, क्या कर रहे हो यार? कर दो ना.
I'm so hurt.
Yeah, like,
I know.
don't you want to be part of the fam? Like-
Fam, bro.
But like, yeah, we love the 25% of you
Yeah,
who
yeah.
are watching and
Yeah.
have subscribed. But
Yeah.
please, the 75% of you guys, hop on.
Please do it.
You know,
Yes.
Fambro reminds me of like bleached hair.
This is the top part of it.
Yeah. No, but and bleached hair will always remind me of that excitement of like finishing school and then finally being able to dye your hair. I think that's
Oh
it's
my
a
god.
universal experience where
Yes.
Oh
like
my god.
if you've wanted colored hair
Mhm.
like right after school, when you get into like junior college,
Yeah.
you're gonna have like a fugly color.
No, I think all of us, I think the two of
No,
us
both of us.
Y'all had it.
have been through that. And I remember when I joined my junior college, I thought I'm going to be that one with, like colored hair. And then I get to
Bitch.
college and everyone has colored hair.
Exactly. And it's
So-
all like first years, huh?
All
yeah,
first
yeah.
years.
No, it's the
First
thing.
years.
This
Yeah.
first year, it's like a different breed.
Because you've been in your shell the entirety of like your
Hmm.
school life, and then 11th grade is like that first thing of freedom for you where you
Yeah.
get to do
Correct.
anything, or not anything, but like that's your first step to like a little bit of freedom.
Hmm.
And you're like, मैं
I
color
agree.
करूँगी अभी.
Yeah.
And my first hair color was purple,
I know.
and yours was blue.
Blue.
Blue, yeah.
Mine was a disaster
Oh,
actually.
yours was
Oh
a
my
disaster. You
God, yeah.
wanted
Mine
blue
was
and then it
really
became green
bad.
or something.
Yeah.
I wanted like a very midnight blue. I went
Mhm.
to like the cheapest place I could find, which was on
Yes.
me,
Hmm.
and they were. It was so bad because they first of all gave me like a completely different blue, and then
Hmm.
I was too like.
It almost
the
looked
woman was
green.
too stunned to speak,
Yeah.
and
I-
and then
yeah.
they went out. Sanjana was there. They went
Yeah.
out. These two people in the salon. They went to the market. they got more color, and they did it again, and it was like so powdery that
What are you
if I touched
saying?
my hair, no, it would legit come off.
Yeah, because
What are you saying?
And it
we-
was not even the right color at the end.
yes. So Zia and
I remember your color, but I don't know this story.
Yeah, and then
So-
it became ulti green.
Yeah.
It
As
was
it
so
does,
bad.
as
one
So
does.
Zia
Even
and
hers.
I had gone to the salon together, and we were about 15
Hmm.
at that age, at that time. And Zia got her hair
Oh,
colored.
I think we could have been 14.
No, it
No,
was
we were
15 in
15,
10th
15,
grade. Yeah.
yeah,
We were turning 16 that
Yeah.
that year.
True.
And you got your hair colored, and then it was not the shade that you wanted. And
Yeah.
both of us were like, wait, this is not the shade that we asked for. And then I
We
remember
went on
you.
separate days, and to
No, for your hair, I'm saying.
Yeah.
And then I remember
went to
you
the same
fighting.
place as
No,
Zia?
no.
No, nah.
because she learned her lesson.
Exactly.
I was like,
exactly.
I went to
Yeah.
a worse place. So I found
But
out
still
later.
got a better job than hers at least.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yours was better.
initially it was, and
Hmm.
then after fading out, of course, it becomes
Yeah.
only like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
But I remember you fought with them, and you were like, "No, this is not what I asked for. Please give me what I want."
I feel like I could have fought more. If it
Yeah.
happened to me now, I would have actually
Shut
like,
the place.
No, I would have not shut the place. I would have not paid for that.
Oh, yeah,
of
no,
course
fair,
not.
fair.
Of course
I
not.
would have. I wouldn't have. In fact, they took the money for the color, and they, at the end they told me that we had to trim your hair also.
Hmm.
So you gotta like pay us for that.
That's on you.
So exactly. I told them I don't want a fucking trim.
Hmm.
But
You
like
did
I
it?
ended up
Yeah.
I ended up paying. I was like so
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah,
Nice.
yeah, Yeah, fair.
so stupid. You are so fucking naive in college. Like,
Yep.
of course, this episode, by the way, is we want to get into the absurdity of the college experience and like the how you are as a person in
Yeah.
college.
I-
And it's so fucking weird because obviously you are 15, right?
Yeah.
When you get into at least in Mumbai,
Yeah.
junior college starts from 15
After
when you're
10th.
15.
After 10th,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then you have senior college in the same institute. Or if you want to change, you can change it, whatever. But the point being that when you're in this like institute with you're 15, there is people upwards of 22 in that
Mhm.
same building with you.
Yes.
Yes.
It's so weird because I remember my first year of like 11th grade, like junior college when I had gone, and I saw people who were like much older than me, and then
Yeah.
to realize that they were in their last year of like degree college.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wait, should we be in the same like institution and like be studying together? That just felt
Not
so
at all.
I felt so out of place and like so weird at that
Yes.
point.
I totally agree. And
that even happens when you meet someone who's in the 12th or like their first year of degree college. You
Yeah.
just feel like
Yeah.
we
you
don't
feel
belong together.
weird.
Yeah.
You know, you feel like this is a completely new world that
And
I've
that
come into.
and you don't feel the same way in school. When you're in the
Right.
5th grade and you see someone in 10th
You're
grade,
like, "Arey, apni
you
hai."
don't feel
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah, but
The-
in college you feel like if I see like a first year junior college kid in like when I was in TY, I used to
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
see them and I used to tell my friends like, why are they not in uniform? This is weird. Like and they're
Like,
children,
your
they're
perspective,
babies,
Because
they're
you
babies.
you are a minor at that age and then you're hanging out with people who are like adults.
Hanging out is far
Not hanging out, but
not
you're in the
hanging out
same
with them.
vicinity as like
Yeah.
every
and
day.
you do
I
tend
agree.
to pick their
traits or
Traits
whatever.
up.
Yeah, true.
especially
Bro.
especially
Bro.
around college.
Especially bros, you know. But do you remember? This is so fucking weird and awkward, and I can't believe I'm admitting this on camera.
What?
But
I think I know.
like me, at the ripe age of 15, going into college, and I see that there is something going on in the auditorium, and Ritika and I enter,
yeah. Oh my god.
and I develop the most aggressive
Mhm,
crush on this boy.
mhm.
Right, and he's on stage and he's like anchoring, and I'm not special in this. Like, there were girls gushing over this guy
yeah.
left, right, and center. He was like the heartthrob.
Yeah.
He like
Like
imagine
everybody wanted
this-
to be his friend, they wanted to speak to him, they wanted to be in his
Yeah.
club, like that guy.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine like
Every
he was,
college has
he
that.
was
Yeah.
legit 6'2", and he was actually 6'2",
Okay.
without shoes also. I saw his feet.
Chappal nikal ke dikha.
I'm not weird like that, guys. I'm not into feet. But he was actually 6'2". He
Hmm.
had like the prettiest face.
Hmm.
He was so articulate.
He was that boy.
He
like,
was really that boy, okay? And he
Mhm.
was so fucking confident. He had
Hmm.
this aura about him.
mhm.
And I just see him from a distance on stage, and I'm like, I don't know whether I want him or I want to be
Be
him.
What in the
Yeah.
Wattpad is this?
I ended up becoming somewhat like him, whereas like he really inspired me to like take up
Oh.
anchoring.
Oh.
But I never ended up talking to him, and it was not weird.
It was
that
his last year and our first year.
Yeah.
So there was like a huge
Okay.
difference.
Okay.
huge difference. Like now I think of it, like I was 15, he must have been 21.
Exactly.
21,
20,
bro, that
21,
is
yeah.
so fucking weird.
Yeah.
Like, sit and think about that.
I've never like up until like when I had to sit and jot down like points for this episode and like really, come up with something.
Yeah.
Before this I hadn't put into perspective how weird that felt or how
Yeah.
weird that phase must have been for people who just come to college.
Correct.
Like now that you're talking, now that we're having a
Hmm.
conversation about it, it's like really, really like weird.
Yeah. And for some reason, Karan Johar movies and like, not exactly Karan Johar movies, but
Dharma.
movies in general have painted this picture of like college being
Yeah,
like this
yeah.
type of experience, and
Making
everyone's
mistakes.
You're
You know,
participating,
people are
you're falling in
meeting-
love, you're making
Yeah.
friends, you're making
You're-
mistakes, all
you're
that
having
bullshit.
like 3 love interests all at once,
Wow.
and you're bunking classes.
You're working
and
hard,
going
you're taking
around.
notes, you're in college to
You're
like
you're perpetually in the college canteen, guys. Let me tell you, the college canteen is not cool. It is never cool.
It was cool, I feel.
Fuck off, dude. Like, when you're in the canteen, like how it's showed in movies and TV shows,
Mhm.
okay, there will be like 4 cliques,
Hmm,
okay,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
and there'll be that gamer, and there'll be that
The
you
quiet
know,
boy.
the quiet boy,
The
whatever, like,
nerds and like the
हाँ,
weirdos or
and the
whatever.
bullies, like ये
Hmm.
होता ही नहीं है.
Yeah,
नहीं
and
होता.
Trust me, if you are somebody that is going into college now, or you're just starting off college, you say first year, second year, bro, chill.
yeah, and I feel
Relax.
like movies paint this picture of like peer pressure being like this whole thing. "Oh, you know, no, you have to come, you have to do it." They'll ask you, "Do you want to do this?" If you say no,
No,
they will fuck
They
off.
will fuck off.
They will really not
I
force you.
I
Like no one does this anymore, I feel. And I feel parents also feel that, oh, you're going to get in the
Yeah,
wrong
yeah.
books of people, you're going to get like bullied. Mom, I'm fine.
Dude, colleges.
Like, I'm fine.
Many colleges in Bombay make you sign the, what's that thing? You know, they make you fill a form that says you're not supposed
Anti-bullying.
anti-bullying form.
Anti-bullying form.
अरे?
Anti-bullying, anti-ragging form.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm
Cute,
hold on.
yeah. College is cute like that.
Somebody told me when I was young that you're gonna find very like dangerous people in college, and
Whoa.
they're gonna be drug addicts, and they're gonna offer you drugs. Where are my drugs at? I haven't been offered drugs once. Not once. I have
पूछा
not
भी
been-
नहीं.
किसी ने नहीं पूछा मुझे.
No, but like not the only, but one of the weird things I find about college is that, bro, everyone is dating each other in college. Like, I feel everyone has dated
Yeah.
everyone
There
at some
are-
point.
There are 3 girls and 3
Three
boys,
boys.
that date.
Yeah, and all of them have done it with
Yeah,
each
yeah,
other.
Yeah. Dude, for sure. And
At some point or the
surprisingly,
other.
from the same group.
Yeah,
Or-
it's just
Bro, those are the worst.
Those are
I
the
call them the
fucking worst.
incest groups.
yes.
Yes.
वो एक ग्रुप है और उसके अंदर
उनमें ही चल रहा है।
incest चल
इसमें
रहा है.
खानदान बनाएंगे हम लोग. Family planning यहाँ से शुरू होगी. It's just too weird,
It
huh?
is very weird. And I shouldn't say this, but it's always like the girls are like
The
baddies.
best.
Yeah.
And,
And
the
the
boys
boys-
are like
fucking stupid.
from the bins.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't want to bash men again because
no.
it's like, oh, no, only bash
In
men.
such
But like,
kind of groups, the girls are always baddies.
True,
I've never
true.
seen it being the other way around.
Mhm.
yes.
And we love men, guys. Acne on men.
Men.
No, but like, yeah, that's the point we're trying to make, that the women actually really look
Hot.
hot.
Great.
Mhm.
Yeah.
True.
I mean, then again, I don't understand how that is possible, because at least for the first 3 years of college, I looked so bad.
I think COVID did it for me.
Do you remember my septum ring?
I have videos of you here.
Oh my god, my Snapchat literally came yesterday. It's like
Yeah,
5
I know,
years ago.
Same.
Yep.
And I was
There
like, oh
was
my
a
god.
Was it a picture of you and me with purple and blue hair,
Yes,
and me with the
yes.
fucking
And
septum?
there was
piercing?
Babita
Exact-
also
Yes.
in that video.
I remember that exact day.
Yes, I do too. But yes. But I feel like oh yeah, everyone has had that ugly phase in college because at least for us, we came from like all girls schools, and then to go into an environment where there are also boys, and you're like, oh, I have to like act my best, look my best, and then you look like a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's so true.
And
That
you're
is
like,
so
okay,
true.
You
where-
don't
where-
even realize it.
Until like 2 years later, when you see on your Snapchat like from
Exactly.
3 years back, and you're like, oh god.
I
At
look
least
like
for
that.
me, it
And I
was-
had the
Yeah.
and I had the confidence to
I
go
thought
after college
something
like
was
that.
gonna happen to
Yeah.
me
Yeah,
back
yeah,
then.
yeah. I was shaving
my hair.
completely every day.
Like the hair's flying.
I had cuts on me, but no. Today, what if? Who
What if?
knows?
Something might change.
Best to be prepared than sorry. What is
yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah.
What is that?
Better to be sorry than
Better safe than sorry.
better safe than
Best to
we
be
were getting there. No, but yeah, I was like, आज miracle होगा.
Yeah,
आज कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा मेरे साथ. कल नहीं हुआ, आज होगा.
At least किसी से हाथ तो brush हो ही जाएगा.
Yes.
Oh my. Bro, but it was so like पहले तो if you're like going into college just now, expect it to be bad for a while,
Mhm.
because and especially if you're going from like a all boys or an all girls to a co-ed,
Yeah.
you are going to be scared of the opposite gender. You just
For
will.
sure.
It's a
Mm.
part of the college experience, or it's part of like any experience.
It's
Like,
part
Yeah.
of growing up.
if you go from like an all boys all
Yeah,
girls
yeah,
to straight to work also, you will find that because कितना भी बोलो equality है, and you know they're all girls and boys
Are
same
all
होते हैं,
equal.
वो डर रहता ही है
Yeah, of course.
कि like what if, like what will they think? I don't know how men think, I don't know how boys think, so if I go up to them, what
How
will
will
they
they
think?
perceive
How
me?
will they perceive me?
Yeah.
And it's very common, it's very natural for this to happen.
Yeah. So for me, it was a little more like mind fucking because after 10th, for junior college, I went to this one college, and then I didn't get in for degree. So I had to change colleges again.
Correct.
And I was and of course, we were the COVID batch. Like, COVID hit us, mid 11th
in our
grade.
12th
After
standard.
12. After 11.
After 11.
After
So
11th
we got
standard, yeah.
like a couple of months because 11 started also like pretty late
Yeah.
for junior college.
Yes,
So we just got a
yes.
couple of months and then COVID hit. Then we had to do 12th boards, if that even happened.
didn't
It didn't
We
happen
it didn't
in
happen.
COVID. And then I had to switch to another new college for degree college.
Yeah.
And I hated my degree college in my
Correct.
first year, okay? To the point where I used to cry for like the initial couple weeks of college. I used to cry because I was like, I don't like the people. I don't like how far it is from home. I just don't like anything about this place. And because it was in COVID, I couldn't even get to, like, none of us got to go to college physically and like attend and meet people or whatever. Everything happened
Online.
online. So that was anyways tough. But we had this one professor, okay? He used to teach us math or like
Yes.
yeah, I think it was maths only.
Statistics.
Yeah, it was statistics. And he used to teach us on his cupboard. He used to transform his cupboard into a board.
That's adorable,
Wow.
man. That's
Okay,
damn
so it
cute.
was like not like a whiteboard, but he used to write with the marker and he used to like get to erase it or whatever.
Oh.
That man has made, not single-handedly, but like has made my college experience in my first year at least so much better because bro, he was too good. Like,
Yeah.
and not only me, but like others also felt this too. You know, he was like a damn fun professor, and to the point where, because he used to write on his cupboard, his wife, if she needed something from the cupboard, she used to be like, "Ek minute, mujhe kuch nikalna hai."
And he would shut the
He
camera.
used to shut the camera. Sometimes I think he used to just forget. So we used to see her open the cupboard and like get stuff out.
That
was
is
damn cute, yaar.
Oh my god.
And he used to have he also had like a dog. So sometimes you could hear
Aw.
the dog also in the background, and it was like,
It's like
it
घर
was
पे ही है.
घर पे ही है,
Yeah.
bro.
Wow.
It was
It's
damn
home
nice.
tuitions.
Even though my first year I hated for most part of it, but then I think once I started going physically to college, I realized that ठीक है, this is not exactly what I envisioned for myself, but I'm going to work with it. And I grew to like enjoy it, you know. And my my second year was actually the best out of the three because
Yeah.
I not only
It's always like
It's
bro,
always
you
it's
the second
literally
last
you
year.
peak in like the middle or like the second.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
people who have like
Yeah.
4 years, I think second and third year is the best.
Yeah.
Because first you're just getting used to it, second and third is like peak fun, and fourth or third is like, you know, you're
You're-
leaving,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
sad,
You're stressed about the
you're
real
stressed
world.
about the real
Hmm.
world, and also there's like a fuck ton of like assignments and like projects or
Hmm.
whatever.
Yes, true.
So in my second year is where I participated in like the most number of like events. I was very, very involved basically in college, and that's when I started enjoying and like loving it. So yeah, a part of me does picture like, oh, what would my life be if I was still in my junior college college. But again, I'm like, you know what, it is what it is.
Yeah.
I came to this college, I have to live with it, and like instead of like being hell-bent on not being in that college, I might as well enjoy it
Honestly,
right now.
your
Fair.
junior college, wala college, from what I've heard, is very overhyped.
It is overhyped. It's
And
like,
it's just
And they do have a toxic environment around.
yeah, of course.
It's like
and-
going
oh.
to America and only eating McDonald's.
True, that is one way to
Hmm.
put it. So a couple of my friends from my junior college still to this day tell me that, you know, if you were in this college today, you wouldn't have thrived the way you are thriving right
Yeah.
now. And that also
It's
comes
too
from
much, like,
unnecessary pressure, I feel.
Hmm.
And I feel like in my degree college, now that also depends on like the course that you took, but I feel like I had a lot more time to focus on things that I wanted to apart from like academics.
Yeah.
So yeah.
when you're in an environment that is uncool, it automatically makes you cool.
True.
And when you're
Wow.
in an environment that is like considered very cool,
Hmm.
then you're like, oh
You're-
my god,
You
am I
feel
cool
so
enough?
underconfident.
Yeah, true. That's very true actually. I
And
noticed that happening.
the way to beat it is always fake it 100%. When I started actually performing and doing extracurriculars, I was 1,000% surrounded with like people that were so much cooler than me. and they're doing amazing in life now. They have great careers. They've actually taken up things that, they would they've become performers. They have
Unconventional
become editors.
careers.
They have
Hmm.
become, they shoot, and they work on all these like cool projects,
Yeah.
and they are genuinely cool people.
Hmm.
And if that part of you which is like uncool in the beginning,
Mm-hmm.
if I hadn't let that go, and if I hadn't been like, you know what, fuck it, this is what I want to do, and even if I do feel like an imposter sometimes, I want
Hmm.
to pretend like, no, I know what I'm talking about, and I am cool enough. I
Yeah.
know things. I really do.
I think you really need to fake it till you make it in college.
You
Otherwise,
really
you will not have the overall experience
Yeah.
of it.
I think we especially are able to say that is because now that we're done with college, the attitude shift, or like the change in my attitude towards everything
Yeah.
is so prominent, to the point where I'm like, wait, who was I even like 6 months back,
Hmm.
and like versus who I am right now. So it's a little scary, but
It's very I
it
I
is an
wonder-
experience in its own
I
way.
feel
really
it's a very
wonder-
sudden switch.
Oh yes, that's
It's
also there.
because
It's
the
very
5
immediate.
years you're in college, you're slowly processing everything.
Like they
you're
say,
taking your
it's
time
like
and
you're being introduced to the real world. That's a phase where you're being
yeah,
introduced
yeah,
to the real
yeah.
world,
And then there's you have 5 years of college where you're not really serious, but you're not really unserious also. You're in the middle.
yes.
And then
Yeah, I
once you've
know.
left college, you're like, "Arey baap re, ye kya hai?"
Yeah.
And that's like a very sudden
I
switch.
really want to talk to somebody that has not gone to college after like school, after 12th, has not taken up a degree, and
Just started working.
yeah, and
Hmm.
if they had like a similar experience to us, because I want to know if this is an experience that all 18, 19, 20, 21-year-olds have, or is it just college going
yeah.
folk.
Hmm.
So that's pretty, but if even if you have like a bad experience in college, even if you just go to class, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
You really will be. If you don't want to, if you're not the kind of person to do extracurriculars, it's okay. You're going to have enough fun in class also.
Hmm.
If you remember, sometimes teachers are great. Huh? Teachers teachers are great sometimes, but other times you're like, ये चल क्या रहा है?
मतलब
If you remember, in junior college, we took up French.
yeah.
And there was this one teacher,
The old lady.
the old lady. Now you remember.
Now I remembered.
Yeah, she was this cute old lady. I think
Hmm.
she was Parsi,
Yeah, for sure.
and she was like very pretty. Okay, she would always have this bun, and she had these glasses, and like she was pretty old, but she had like very good skin. I remember
Yeah, she looked
that.
very up to date.
very
Okay.
like she would really
Very
put
prim and
in,
proper.
Yeah.
put in the time in how she looked, and
Okay.
she was good at teaching also.
Yeah.
and like I liked her or whatever. One day the class was like really making noise, okay, and we were just not like doing
Were
our
we there?
work. I was there. I don't remember if you were there.
Okay. Go on.
So I remember Meher was there.
Okay.
Okay, so she got really fed up, and she asked us all to stand, and I'm like, hold on, what? We stood up, and
School
she
mein
made
kya?
yeah, she made us sing a hymn.
What?
School
I-
mein hi hai.
School mein, yeah.
I wasn't there. For
She
sure.
made us sing a hymn. I was like,
Wow.
not that there's anything wrong with singing hymns.
But
I
in
must
college,
make that very
yeah.
clear. I had to. Please sing whatever you want.
10 years of our lives we've sung it.
Yes.
Yeah. Showers of blessings.
Love. We need
We need.
Yeah.
subscribers.
No, there was this
Idiot.
one teacher that was so nice actually. In my second year,
Hmm.
where obviously I was the most active in extracurriculars, and once I came back to class after my fest, and then she really appreciated. She really appreciated like how I was, in the
Involved.
fest and
Mhm.
everything, and she acknowledged me in front of the class, and she was like, "Now you have to attend my class." But the problem was her class was at 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
And then at the end she was like, "You did not come to my class. I will not take your presentation. Fuck off." Which
Yeah,
is
they
very
always did
fair.
that.
And I was like, "I'm so sorry. I can explain. I think I can make up something." But she was like, "No, I do not want you. You will repeat this class. I'm sorry." And then I was
Fairly.
like, yeah, it is very fair, honestly. Like not even looking back at that time, I knew, okay, she's being fair. Like, she let me do my fest, and then even after that I didn't show up to her class. She legit wanted me to come to 3 classes consecutively. That's all she
Yeah,
wanted
that was
from
her
me.
deal. Come for
One
3
a day.
classes.
Consecutively come 3 days,
Nah, that was
You'll
very fair.
you will get. And then at the end I told her, ma'am, see, I've prepared this presentation. Even if you don't want to mark me, just listen to it, and then you can decide what you need to do.
Mm-hmm.
And I gave my presentation, and she did pass me. Yeah, she
So,
was
but I
great.
feel like
Damn cool.
even though this is like this should be the norm, but not all professors are like that, huh? In college, I mean, you expect them to be
A little
a
understanding.
little understanding, especially in degree college. Forget junior college is also like school only to some extent,
Yeah.
but degree college also it's very rare to find sensible and rational teachers.
Yeah.
Like
But
professors,
I mean,
sorry.
I had a teacher who was like the head of my department, and she was down sick for a while, and it's so weird. But she would post like very gross details about her health condition
Oh God,
on the group,
on the main group.
on the main group. And I think I really hope that some students must have asked her personally. But अगर personally पूछा तो personally बताओ ना, मुझे नहीं जानना
Oh
आपके
God.
पस के बारे में. This is not an exaggeration. I have receipts, yeah. I'm not kidding.
Ew. Okay.
I don't want to talk.
I mean,
I don't want to say who she was or like what problems she
Yeah, if
had
you
in
know,
life.
you know.
But it was pretty gross, यार. मतलब
Of course it is.
yeah.
क्यों?
ये तुम फैमिली क्यों बना रहे हो?
हाँ, मेरे
स्टूडेंट टीचर रहने
पता है
दो.
मेरे फैमिली ग्रुप पे भी इतना डिटेल नहीं आता. नहीं आता. At most on your family group will be like
लग गई.
Zia has loose motion.
Hmm.
That's it. Just
Julab.
to let julab ho raha hai. हाँ, just to let the others know that this is a problem that's happening. Beware of the toilet.
Dude, speaking about good teachers, I don't even know who this teacher was because we had like 3 teachers teaching us math in junior college in 11th, okay? And
Oh, bitch, you're talking about. Oh my god.
what?
Talking about maths is best. Everyone will relate.
Yeah, exactly.
Continue.
Collectively, we hate math.
Yeah.
So when I was filling my form for my admission in JC, like I got into the college, and like subjects choose karo. But Papa और मैं साथ में गए थे, and then I picked all of
First
my
mistake.
I picked all of my subjects, and I had one remaining, and it was an option between economics and math. And my dad's like, तूने arts लिया है, math में क्या ही आएगा? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. What possibly could be difficult for a math in the stream of arts? I'm like, fair.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, I'll take.
Subtle foreshadowing.
yeah.
Yeah. I'll
Little did you know.
exactly. Little did I know. And I took up math. फिर textbooks लेने गए. Textbooks पे लिखा है arts and science.
No, that's
Yeah.
the wackest thing
That is
ever.
Very weird. You had
What
Why?
the
You had
hell?
maths?
Yes.
Yeah, even I had. We all 3 had maths.
We've
Yeah,
been
yeah.
victims to that subject.
Zia somehow managed through math because she took classes.
I-
I don't know why I
I'll tell
did
you,
not
yeah.
because up until the textbook came and I actually opened it to study.
Yeah.
I realized I'm fucked.
You are very fucked because you have calculus.
Yeah,
Advanced
and bro,
calculus.
no, the thing is,
Exactly.
na, I hate math, but somehow I'm good at it. Like
I'm good because I'm scared.
same.
That's why I
Because
keep
I
practicing.
cry and I do it. Like I'm pretty sure y'all
भाई
y'all
88
know.
बोर्ड्स में ऐसे ही नहीं आए हैं.
Yeah.
रो रो कर प्रैक्टिस कर करके
Yeah.
88 आए.
No,
But what
Anyways,
our college used to do was give us a separate booklet which had like 5 sums from each chapter in it.
Oh, we
And
didn't
then,
have that.
yeah,
we had मुझे
We
वो भी
had
नहीं पता कि हमको वो दिया था.
we had that, and then I didn't even like I went to my classes or whatever, but that was like a complete waste because I didn't understand anything.
Yeah.
I called my sister to I called her, like she used to live in Panvel at that time.
Bro.
And Panvel and her, she was in between her village and Panvel. And I was like, bro, like I need you. She came, she stayed for a week. Bless her heart. If you're listening to this, so
Wow.
I love you.
Wow.
And she taught me everything. And then the things that I couldn't learn, I wrote on chits and I took them.
Yeah.
And I've legit chapoed,
Chopified. Yes.
sums in my कि formula के तो marks मिले.
भाई मैंने ये दिमाग
बताओ.
क्यों नहीं लगाया?
हाँ, exactly. बता ना क्या हुआ तेरे साथ?
हाँ भाई. And then this one friend of mine, she's pretty good at math. You know, it's like you know some people जो लोग मतलब naturally math में
Yes.
बहुत अच्छे होते हैं.
Yes.
Yeah.
वो थी. And I'm like, तू प्लीज मुझे खाली passage इतना सिखा दे. हर एक चैप्टर में से easy sum बता दे जो मैं कर सकती हूँ. Even if I get passing ना, मुझे बस पास होना है. फिर 12th में
That-
I changed my subject anyway.
That hope that you have.
Yeah.
Pass,
Exactly.
pass
You
to ho jao,
remember
but then what if you
that?
don't pass?
Exactly.
when we got on a call and we were like looking at all our first term के marks, first term के internal के marks, second term के internal के marks हमने सब join किए और फिर हमने बोला अच्छा ठीक है 70 marks चाहिए पास होने के लिए, तो हमें ये पेपर में कितने marks लगेंगे
Hmm.
pass on, and mine was somewhere like 20 and yours was like a lot more, like 38 or something.
From in math, right?
Yes, I
Yeah,
remember that.
exactly.
It was very
And-
scary.
Oh my
I was scared for
God.
Ritika, bro. I was like, 20
No,
marks
that
तो
is a
मैं ले
real
लूँगा.
life problem.
Yes.
Like,
Exactly.
that is
Exactly.
real.
And then I told my friend कि listen, I'll come to your house.
Hmm.
तू कुछ मत कर, मैं तेरे घर आऊंगी. I'll come to you. Like I'll take tuitions from you. तो मुझे बैठकर सिखा. And then she taught me everything. And I tried my best. Okay.
Hmm.
11th का final exam जो होता है before summer vacations.
Cute.
I tried my best कि मुझे जितना आता है ना मैं सब पेपर में उतार दूं, but for some reason ना मैं 1 mark से fail हो गई.
Yeah.
I was supposed to get 31, I got 30.
Hmm.
And this one beautiful, I don't even know who she was who corrected my paper.
Yeah.
भाई उसने मुझे 1 mark देके पास कर दिया.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was possible in college, right? Because college is damn serious.
See, yeah. Oh, that's such a big misconception because I remember. Oh, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Done. But what I was saying was that I remember when I think it was my second or third year, and like same, I had like 1 mark or something that I needed to get to a
Yeah.
higher grade.
Hmm.
And in my college, they were like, no, we're not going to do this. And then in my junior college where I still had friends, they were like, these people to fight with the professors.
Oh.
Please give me this and like, you know, increase my grade.
And
I'm
I'll
like,
give you head. No.
so I was like,
That never
"Acha."
happened. It didn't happen. I've never known anyone that's done that.
Tanu,
I really haven't, guys. Why are you looking at me like that?
Tanu, why'd you say?
But there is this one guy on
Oh shit, what?
different. Full
Oh,
stop. Next
acha,
sentence.
next
Next
sentence.
paragraph.
Okay.
There is one guy on Instagram Reels, and he corrects papers.
Ah.
Arey bro, I love him. He
Yeah.
he was correcting this one maths paper, and he was like, ठीक है बच्चे ने ये लिखा है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है. 28 मिला है, 30 मार्क्स चाहिए पास होने के लिए. ये लो 2 मार्क बढ़ा दिया, पास हो गया. And the comments all like, सर स्वर्ग से आए हैं.
आप भगवान हो.
आप भगवान हो. ऐसे सर
No,
ही तो
but
चाहिए.
these professors are angels. I love
Yeah,
them.
yeah.
Swear. Bro, I would have died if I
Yeah.
failed my 11th standard.
No,
It was re-
that's
I remember
that would be
you-
humiliating. True.
I remember you counting after that paper, and you were sad. You
Exactly.
were really sad because
But I'm glad
when
I
you have that track record of never failing,
Exactly.
Oh,
and then
yes.
This one stupid math subject made me fail by 1 mark. You
I
you
failed-
want to kill yourself.
I failed Marathi by half a mark in school, so you should feel
See,
better about
exactly.
yourself.
No, like
to
half a
1
mark doesn't even make sense. That's so stupid.
That
Like,
is
why are
very
you
stupid.
making
Just give
half
her the
mark?
full mark and fuck
And
off.
I think the teacher would really wanted to just spite me, so that's what she did. Actually,
Imagine
you're a bitch.
beefing with like a 15-year-old. Like,
I know.
Get a life.
There's no purpose in life
Anyway.
of yours or what?
You, if you were my 7th standard Marathi teacher, you know who you are, and I will haunt you when I die.
Yeah, love.
yes.
I'll haunt your kids.
You will
whatever.
ghost her.
I'll ghost her.
If you know, you know.
Yeah,
Mood.
she's like in my DMs. These fucking groupies. Fucking cloud chasers. Now that I have a podcast.
She's trying to be famous.
Yeah, bitch. I hate her.
Subscribe कर ले.
Yeah.
फिर आके भिड़.
She's one of the 75%.
Yes.
What not?
Yes.
Subscribe.
True.
But anyway, so obviously we've had these experiences, and I
Hmm.
was really wondering if like other people had these experiences too.
I'm pretty
So
sure.
you know, as one does, I went on Reddit and I was like,
Hmm.
guys,
Hmm.
you guys like need to get some
Validation?
yeah, like, is it insane that only we experience this?
Or is it overall, all across?
Pretty
and
sure
everyone-
it's overall, yeah.
And once you go on Reddit, you just find the most batshit stories for anything.
Yeah.
You
So
find
we-
your community over there.
So we found some for you guys, and then we also have actually responses that you gave us on our Instagram story.
Yes.
And we're gonna share them too.
Yeah,
if
we're
you
gonna
don't
react.
mind.
We're gonna react to them.
We're gonna react to your stories. This is the first time we're doing this.
Yeah,
We're
oh my,
so
I can't
excited.
believe people have actually like
I
responded.
know.
Which are your responses?
On Reddit, we've put in, insane things that happen to people in college.
Mm-hmm.
And this guy said, I know a story. A few years ago, some college students decided to protest against some university policy. The university was 25 kilometers away from the college. A group of 12 to 15 students stole the city bus and rode it to the university. Police chase was enjoyed. They beat and arrested students in university ground.
Oh shit.
The driver is now a renowned pediatrician. I'm reading that correct. Pediatrician, pediatrician, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a doctor.
A
yeah.
kid's doctor.
A kid's doctor.
A kid's. How do you get to that point? Hello, are people not checking doctors' resumes?
They started with fucking GTA, bro.
Background check kiya ki nahi?
No, that GTA experience was needed because
No,
like
bro.
SOS situation में इसको आता है क्या?
हाँ भाई.
Bro, imagine like this is such a great conversation starter at a party.
Yeah.
Bus driver to pediatrician की कहानी.
Yeah, I need to like this. This needs to be studied. This man needs to be studied.
For sure.
I feel like okay on Reddit, a lot of people can make stuff up because there's
Yeah.
like nothing to check. But you can't. This is too specific, guys.
Yeah, no.
What pediatrician only? But like, how
Could
do
be
you
any
make
doctor.
This up? You can't make this up.
Exactly. You
Yeah,
can't
you
make
can't.
this up. This is.
Bro, I don't know what to make of this.
I
Like,
really want to know
I want to know
which
what he's
college it
doing
is, or
right
like
now.
which part of the country it is.
Oh yeah. Where is this? Please, I don't know where this is.
Yeah.
But
If
this
you're
seems
watching,
like,
please no. But they would.
No, it doesn't seem like anything.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah,
this
yeah.
seems like wherever you want it to be.
Another story. At a college in Bangalore, a group of friends notorious for procrastination entered a coding competition with a huge cash prize. With only hours to spare, they hacked into the college network, stole a competing team's prototype, and presented it as their own.
Ooh.
Genius.
I know.
Wow.
However, the professor overseeing the contest, a tech genius, quickly noticed the suspiciously familiar code. It's mine, he said with a grin. He had uploaded his own prototype to catch any cheaters.
Love.
Rather than disqualifying them, the professor made the team clean the campus for a week. I love that.
Yes.
Though they didn't win, their failed hack became a legendary tale at the college.
This should
I
be made
love
into a
this.
movie. This is so cool.
It's a
I
movie
love
worthy.
this.
It's a.
Bro, you can add
It's
mirch
a short,
masala
it's
inside.
a short film
Yeah.
worthy.
But
for
it's such a
sure.
nice
Where's the
concept.
romance? But it is great.
I
That is
love
so cool.
this.
Only fucking coders, huh? Only coders will
Bro, I
Yeah,
find
yeah.
coders damn cool. I like.
I don't
they-
find them cool.
They're nerdy, but they're cool and like. Yeah.
And the teacher is fucking smart.
Yeah.
Damn smart.
I love that. Actually, I think the teacher kind of, Okay, we'll move on to the next one. 4 years ago, during our first year in Goa, my friends and I decided to experiment with alcohol. What experiment did you do?
Wow.
What experiment was
Best
this?
place to do experiment. Goa.
Best. Yeah. Experiment with, are they chemical science students? What experiment
They're
do you
probably
need to do
hotel
with alcohol?
management.
Experiment.
हम बनाएंगे beverage.
They all just fall to the
ये
ground.
क्लास में दिखाएंगे.
They fall to the ground. They're rubbing alcohol. Experiment done. Hypothesis proven.
Hence proved.
They published the paper. Okay. We bought a bottle of cheap Smirnoff green apple
Whoa.
vodka and headed to a quiet beach.
Okay.
One of us got drunk quickly, rolling in the sand and losing his
Mhm.
spectacles.
Moj.
Losing his what?
Losing his spectacles.
Chashma.
He didn't care, and we eventually managed to get him in a cab back to campus. We arrived. The college was doing a. Brace yourselves. The college was doing alcohol breath tests.
Oh my gosh.
Nervous and drunk, we start hyperventilating, hoping to clear the smell. I'm sorry. Imagine like a group of friends drunk out of their mind. ऐसे निकल जाएगा.
Not on the mic.
Sorry.
Or just have a mint.
It does have work, but they don't.
I don't
Much
know.
a breath. Okay, wait. So they're
No,
not doing
nothing
bluff.
works. Nothing will work. Like that
The
thing
thing will
takes
catch
it up.
it.
Takes it up.
Okay, fine. Where was I? Sorry. The meter showed a mix of red, yellow, and green.
What
I don't
is-
know what that means. We
Okay.
were caught.
Basically, they were caught.
Yeah.
The drunk guy, still obsessing over his lost classes, kept insulting that this breathalyzer reading would turn green if he got them back. The security guard called the superintendent, who calmly told us, "Son, you didn't come here with your specs."
I mean, yeah.
After some food for the drunk guy, we got him back to the hostel. But by 7 a.m., a neighbor found him passed out near the urinals. बाज नहीं आता. Men will be men.
मस्ती रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
मस्ती रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Later, the warden called us in for a serious talk. It wasn't pretty, but it ended with a warning and a funny story we still laugh about.
That is funny.
That's
That
damn
is
funny.
that-
funny.
yeah.
You
You
know-
you speak about things like this in your college, like or
Hmm.
like I'm assuming that they're
I
in college.
swear. It's okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, they said
Yeah,
campus.
yeah.
I've heard medical colleges have the most wackiest people of all.
yeah, it's an insane asylum.
Yeah.
I shouldn't say that, but
They have the most crazy
It's
people.
like-
It's a lot,
You
no, that they're
have
going
to-
through and
yeah,
like
obviously.
no shit, you're literally
It's
surrounded
so much
by
pressure.
like
dead
death.
bodies.
and birth every single
Mhm.
day of your life. It has to be taxing on you,
Yeah.
and it's not easy at all.
It's
It's
of course
not.
It is
it's
obviously
it's
not easy.
Yeah.
Gone.
So, and that is, I'm talking about academics, your social
Social
dynamics and
life is-
everything
yeah.
aside. It
Mm.
is, they are very strict about like the seniority and shit. Like, you can't, if a person is like 1 year older than you,
Hmm.
so if you're in first year and you have to call all of your second year seniors sir or ma'am.
Ew.
Yeah, and you can't, and that exists like throughout.
Why? That's
Even see, you'll find if you have a doctor now, and that doctor, like, he's an established doctor, even if it's an old guy, if he knows a person that is an older doctor than him, he will call him sir.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And the older one can call the younger one by the name
Hmm.
or like doctor last name or whatever, but you have to call the
yeah, and
a
I think
senior sir or ma'am.
some places like sir is considered to be a more
Holds more
holds
importance.
more importance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like they really वहाँ पर आज तक रैगिंग होती है मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में
Hmm.
और इंजीनियरिंग
Wow.
कॉलेजेस में जो
Engineering
like
though.
Engineering does,
whoever
yeah.
is like away from home
like hostels
Hmm,
also.
hostel and all
Hmm,
वहाँ पर
yeah.
होती है.
Fair.
So we're done with the Reddit stories, and now we're gonna react to the viewers, like you guys.
I've been so excited for this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
no.
stories that you have.
I need you guys to rate this.
Yes. Okay. So the first story is as follows. I hated Hindi in college.
Real.
Ew, bro. Like
I also had Hindi in my
same,
first year.
same. Even I had
I
Hindi.
didn't. I took French.
Okay.
Love.
So I hated Hindi in college. Something about the classes just made it unbearable.
Hmm.
One day, faced with 2 consecutive Hindi lectures, I came up with a plan. I left my bag outside the classroom to get marked present, then told the teacher I was going to the restroom and never returned.
Good.
Fair
Good
enough.
thinking, honestly. I've also thought of doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This happened yesterday. I'll tell you all.
Hmm.
Go on.
The next week, as I lounged at home in my shorts, I saw my Hindi teacher walking towards my front door. I froze.
Wait,
What?
his house front door?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I was shocked to see her there, and I was completely clueless about what was happening. She started walking towards my room, and then turns out she came in to talk to my aunt, who was an English teacher, about tutoring her kids.
Oh, ये क्या चल रहा है?
I was in complete panic mode, but luckily she didn't recognize me right away.
अच्छा, so he's assuming that she knows कि
Hmm.
इसने bunk किया है.
But she doesn't know.
हाँ, obviously
Yeah,
she doesn't
yeah.
know. हाँ.
When she did, she asked if I was her student, and I nervously admitted it. Then she casually asked about our recent exams and which paper I did best in. I panicked and blurted out, Hindi. even though it definitely wasn't the one I did best on.
Hmm.
Turns out she'd been living across my building for 2 years and I had never known.
Okay.
I was terrorized for days, but it was a lesson I'd never forget. Sometimes the worst surprises come to you when you least expect them.
Okay.
Wow.
So
That
the legend has it that they carpool now.
Yeah.
Yeah, now they
And
go
they have Hindi classes in the car.
Yeah.
yeah, and now he's a Hindi teacher, and they live happily ever after.
Happily ever
Yes.
after.
But yeah, this is very cute, yeah.
Very cute.
This is very cute, and please, guys, bunk classes. It's fine.
Bunk classes,
Yeah,
but
do
do it a
it.
little like.
Little less bunk.
Huh.
Okay, give
No,
yourself
I was
like
going to say do it smartly.
do it smartly. Give 3 days bunk, 2 days go. It's
It's an
okay.
alternate karo, na,
Wait,
so that
what
you know
happened-
that you're there but also not there.
What
Yeah.
happened yesterday? I was at my class, okay, and this one guy, he always comes half an hour late, and the only चीज ये आज इस train late हो गया. मतलब रोज train late नहीं होता, एक बार दो बार ठीक है. Any which ways, but this sir who was teaching yesterday, he's like a pretty chill sir. You know, you come in whenever, like not whenever, but like if you're late, he'll take you in. He won't say anything. He'll just continue teaching.
Hmm.
And yesterday he came in at 7:30, and he sat on the first bench. Very smart. First bench पे जाके बैठा because that was the empty out of all the benches. He came and he sat, and I think it's almost 8:15 now, and he every day goes to the washroom.
Hmm.
Class के बीच में उठ के
उसके घर
washroom.
पे नहीं है
हाँ, जो भी for whatever reason.
मुतने आ गया होगा
And
यार.
टॉयलेट.
yesterday he's so smart. उसने sir को बोला, sir, I'll just be back. And sir was teaching, so he didn't
Fair.
notice him leaving or whatever. He took his bag and he just left the class and he didn't come back.
Real. I've
Fuck
done
it,
that
we
in
ball.
college. I've done that in TY.
After that,
Like I have left class in the middle of class. I know it is extremely disrespectful to the teacher, but if the teacher is like dragging the class on for like an hour longer than it's
Extra,
supposed
yeah,
to be,
yeah.
then fuck off. I'm going. Like I have other shit to do. Once I left for shoot. How cute, yeah. Like I
Aw.
legit left. I was like,
Priorities.
I'm not
हाँ
I'm
भाई.
not taking this because she dragged the class. She had a habit. This one teacher that I had, she had a habit of dragging classes for longer than, and then she would delay the entire day. Like
Yeah,
if her
yeah.
lecture was first, then the other teacher would be like waiting 45 minutes.
Nah,
हो
that's
गया,
not
1 hour
cool.
हो गया.
Exactly.
मैं निकल गई.
5-10 minutes ठीक है.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But like 1 घंटा तो crazy है. A beautiful foreign student joined a prestigious film school without taking the entrance exam.
Mm.
The director, clearly impressed by her, promised to fix everything and got her in. Later, they went out clubbing.
Fix everything मतलब?
That's how it's said.
Jugaad.
Fix.
Oh.
जुगाड़ू?
fair. हाँ हाँ.
Foreigner है.
Yeah.
Later, they went out clubbing,
Yeah.
got involved.
Okay.
Is it what I think it is?
It's hold on.
Ooh.
The student went clubbing with the director.
So they slept together.
Oh my god.
Got involved,
Okay.
and she recorded it all.
Oh,
Photos and videos included.
yo.
Oh,
Fuck. Did this get leaked or something?
She started showing the evidence around, causing a scandal. Students criticized the director for being unprofessional, but nothing happened because his father owned the school. Anyway, the director's angry partner confronted his mother, who worked at the school, demanding to know which student was involved. Meanwhile,
the one foreigner.
yeah. Meanwhile, the classmates turned against the director for the college reputation.
Yeah.
Although things calmed down, the drama left everyone on the edge, waiting for more chaos to come.
Yo.
brother.
That's fucked up on so many levels.
First, without an
Wow.
entrance exam.
Yeah.
Second, got it fixed. Third, sleeping. Fourth,
she made a
leaking
video out of it.
Fourth,
Her
making a
own
video.
video.
Fifth, leaking it.
Wait, I bet like she didn't want to make the video though.
Oh,
think.
but
But
she
that's
only
how it is.
but she only did it. No, she only like leaked it. No,
Why would she cause her reputation?
Like-
Stake. Yeah.
yeah,
What? How do you say it?
Why would,
taint her reputation.
Yeah.
yeah, taint her.
Why would she do that?
And
I
then
feel
no
this is
action
damn
was taken.
fishy. It's damn fishy.
I mean,
it's very
it's
weird.
उसके बाप का cottage.
Although
literally.
I should say, as like a student perspective who's like not involved in the story, I would fucking eat the drama up.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll
This
come.
is-
My motivation to come to college will be this.
Yeah,
Drama.
I would give the entrance exam
For her.
Yeah,
तू ड्रामा कर, मैं लिखती हूँ तेरा एग्जाम.
Okay. Okay. So move to the next one. We are first years in our college, and recently we got a message about internship opportunities from college in our
Was
it
unofficial
to sell a
class
course?
group.
Fucking
We
scam.
did.
Was it to
Called-
sell a course and get into a
Pyramid
pyramid scheme?
Honestly, at this point, I'll take it. I need experience. This is what they do. They prey on fucking children.
Yeah,
yes,
dude.
Yes, but go on.
इंटर्नशिप के नाम पर कुछ भी करवाते हैं भाई.
कुछ भी भाई.
Marketing and operations. Sales.
Operation. वो pediatrician करता है. अब समझा तुझे? वो जो पत्थर बन के बैठे ना, कल तेरा सर्जरी होगा उसका. भाई ऐसे एक सेकेंड.
भाई.
ये लोग
They are onto something.
जाने
Anyway.
Yeah.
जाने दे. There was a link attached and we had to join the meeting. Almost all first year students joined the meeting as a first year student
Yeah,
does
yeah.
because they don't
Yes.
know enough. They were explaining to us how internships work and how we should be prepared for stuff. No, guys, you should not be prepared to be like in
For
a very
stuff.
toxic environment
Yeah.
when
Yes.
you get work. That's not normal. Not at all. Don't do that.
Yes.
We should be prepared for stuff. For stuff.
That's so vague, but
Just
yeah.
like whatever.
Okay. Then they asked us to all pay 300, 400
Ah,
based
see?
on our course choice.
See?
It seemed fishy to me and my friends, so we did not do it. Good choice.
Love.
Good choice.
Smart.
Trust me, it looked so legit. Their website and course brochures and everything. But they were they were forcing us for the payment to be done within 10 minutes.
Wow.
This happened with me also.
Yeah.
Really?
And almost 400 students paid.
So that's 400 students into 300-400 per person. It's almost like what 1,60,000.
Yes.
Bhai.
They made that
They
out of
10 minutes.
once again they made that out of thin air.
भाई देख स्टार्टअप के लिए अच्छा है.
Shut up, Ritika. You want to be a scammer when you grow up.
Side hustle. No,
What
but that's
does
wrong.
college
That's wrong.
That's
teach
not
you?
right, bro.
College
That's not
teaches
right.
you to steal.
Yes.
Beg, borrow, no. Only steal. Turns out it was all a scam and not to be a college. Also, it was said that someone from the 4th year was involved in this scam.
Oh shit.
This sounds like such a senior thing to do.
See, मैंने बोला ना good startup.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, bro,
but
you're
like
all your seniors are scumbags. So many people lost their money.
So, after college now, on our college group, there was this one online course, whatever.
Always
They had
is an online
yeah.
course.
and they had this course for HR, and I had to finish tasks basically like tasks to before I get to attend
Yeah,
the
yeah,
lectures
yeah,
and whatever. So the first task was an interview round or whatever, and the second was I had to convince 5 of my friends to take courses from their
yeah.
website.
Oh, classic.
And then I was like, and then she's like, so how long do you think you'll take to convince all your friends to buy the course? I'm like, I don't know, because we're graduated. सब लोगों का अपना अपना, one is some of them are working, some is already starting to look for colleges for postgrad. This course is nothing for them. And then I'm like, I'll need a day or whatever. Then I just like talofied her. And then I think a day later she calls me. She's like, do you think you'll be able to do it? I'm like, why should I convince my friends to take a course they have absolutely no interest in?
Yeah.
None of the courses are like, what they actually want to do in the future, or like remotely interesting for somebody to take it up actually.
And those courses are so shit also.
So shit.
And
And
these
then
people
she's
will
like-
make it seem like it's so legit, like we are running a business.
Yeah.
Are you interested?
There is nothing.
like everything
nothing
in the
fucking
world
compares.
Isn't that course only?
Nothing fucking compares to a classic pyramid scheme. I love it. I love it. I live
Exactly.
for it.
I love
You
your
know, when you're
your-
like on MLM girly, hi
Hmm.
girly, do you want to like buy this thing from me so I can make a little like 10% of what I've spent on this? Please,
Yes.
please.
Yep.
I
I love their
Enthusiasm.
enthusiasm for
Yeah.
like scamming people.
They know they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
They know we
exactly.
can see what they're doing, and they
Fair.
will still sell it.
I want
to us.
I want to really zero in on the unemployed graduate to scammer pipeline. I
Yes.
think that is one that we really need to dig deeper
Yes.
in.
Yeah,
I
yeah, for
just
sure.
know too many people, yeah. Because you'll get, after you graduate from college, you'll get these texts from people that you thought were
for
smart
sure,
and
for sure.
intelligent.
Bro, I remember I told you, like in college, I used to be like, wait, why am I not the only one? Am I the only one who's not doing it? Because everyone around me was
Hmm.
like a part of
Scamming.
this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Which we were smart.
yeah.
I don't think it takes like a genius to know a scam.
No, but in that,
but
in
you
that
know what they're
environment where
doing, right?
everyone else is doing it and where you are feeling like you're the only
Yeah.
odd one out who's not.
Yeah.
You
In
might
that
give in.
There is
environment,
also
yeah.
another scam that I should warn people about, that you were involved in. I think you mentioned this in another episode too, but for those of you who don't know, there is these few companies that are like very predatory with like kids, not like that, but they
What do you
they ask, like they recruit you,
Hmm.
and then they are like, your target to like get this certificate or whatever, this recognition is to like get 20 followers on our Instagram page
Oh
and all
yeah,
of that.
Oh, yeah,
Bro,
yeah.
don't do all that stuff.
That
huh?
was very
that
lockdown.
also I'd done in my in 12th
Ah.
grade, I think.
In lockdown, bro.
fucked.
If
So
you're
did
if
that.
you're trying to like get a job, trust me,
Don't do that.
Intershala, LinkedIn, like do all of that.
Yeah, don't do this.
not get into this.
Mm.
Intershala, right?
So the next story is so we were dancing in our room. We had this huge ass room on the 3rd floor, which is the top floor of our hostel, and it had a tube light that flickered. So to sum it up, it was a disco vibe. We got vodka sneaked into our hostel somehow, and we started drinking.
Okay.
One of my roomie, she has zero capacity. In one peg, she was out. Roaming in our room,
Wow.
dancing her ass off, and even we had a little fun teasing her. In the middle of dancing, one thing we knew, she was dancing with us. The next moment, she ran towards the window,
Hey.
Oh.
climbed up the grill, and started making funny faces at the juniors staying in the opposite building.
Fuck.
So we were like chill and all.
Hmm.
The next thing she does is shouts at them and flashes herself out of nowhere. One of my
Cute,
friend
cute.
immediately ran and pulled her from the window grill.
Was the junior hostel boys or girls?
Wow.
That's not mentioned.
Actually, either way, I don't
Yeah,
want to be
don't
flashed.
Flash, like don't
Oh
flash,
my
and I
God.
don't want to be flashed either.
I do have a question for whoever this viewer is. How flashy was this flash? I
Was
wanna
it a
know.
quick? Or was
Yeah.
it?
Was it a
Yeah.
pull up or a pull down
Down.
moment? Like I wanna know. I wanna
A
know.
flash is a flash.
Whoever this is, please comment
I
down
think
below.
I'd rather, if you ever got flashed by a woman, would you have?
What?
I blanked out for a second. Hearing Sia saying, if you get flashed by someone.
ये रोज होता है मेरे साथ. No, but
The
yeah.
locality that I live in. मेरे यहाँ तो रोज का है. But it's so easy to get flashed in a girls' hostel. मतलब तुम एक floor पे तुम एक washroom share कर रहे हो.
हाँ
Yeah.
Girls के में ठीक है. I mean, not getting flashed, but like
Flashing.
Flashing's fine. Getting flashed is not fine. It is always the victim's fault.
सावधान रहो, सतर्क रहो. That's how Anup Soni says it.
Yeah.
मतलब crime तो होएगा ही. Crime तो होएगा ही. तुम सावधान रहो.
Bro, okay, so I need to put this out in the world. I need the audience to know. Okay, sometimes when our reels get cut now, and if I show YouTube shorts get cut, and we're laughing, some men, especially men, women never have this problem. They have a problem with us laughing a lot. And one guy said, टेबल के नीचे कोई गुदगुदी कर रहा है.
Someone also said, तुम लोग का वापस चालू हो गया है podcast.
That was my dad. It wasn't. But it sounds like my dad.
That was so funny, that comment.
Somebody said, so if you want to keep this and whatever. But
Yeah.
somebody said, ये page report कर दो. मैं बोला मैंने तो पहले कर दिया था. Bro, best है यार.
I love
I
the comment
love
section.
the comment section, bhai. हंसना था क्या women.
Yeah.
Women has
That
become
pisses
less.
me off, man.
Women has become less
It
actually.
pisses me off.
A
too.
classic favorite is Four Drunk Men. Sorry,
Oh,
Four
bitch.
Drunk Women is
Love,
like,
love.
Someone said four drunk women. No, what? 4 women with PH.
you're drunk.
With one drunk man is more intelligent. 4 women with P. Full stop. HD. I'm like, what?
That's like post in HD.
Yeah.
नहीं उसका PhD में.
No. Okay. Enough. Discouragement.
अरे
guys.
गुदगुदी बंद करो यार.
Remember, I commented that to someone. They were like, "Hasna kabhi hai," and then I was like, "Ruk gudgudi karti hu."
Yeah, you did this many months ago.
Yeah, I
I think
did.
you took that seriously, yeah.
Yeah.
Now that
Oh.
commenter comes down, we've hired him.
Yeah.
नीचे से वो
उसको internship दे दिया हम लोग ने.
I'm sorry, I've just joked about a commenter sitting down this table and doing gudgudi. Yeah,
So-
guys, this is what happens when you don't pay attention in college and don't get a job, and then you have to start a podcast with your
Hmm.
friends,
Yeah.
and then you get a shit ton of hate, which is yes funny, but also like, why? Why?
Bas karo yaar.
What did I ever do to you? I don't have to block you. You have to block me. Stop commenting. Please block me, guys.
हाँ यार.
Because
कर दे. Full permission. Do it.
कर दो.
Do it. I dare you.
just do it.
Yeah,
So
but-
that was it. I think to conclude,
Mhm.
I would like to point out that we read a couple of stories, and some of them were traumatic and some of them were fun and funny, and we also discussed how it was when we were in college, and the reading these stories has showed me that we don't have that experience of like living away and experiencing college, so that is a completely different dynamic. I would
Right.
love to actually have somebody on and
Yeah.
talk about
Yeah,
that
yeah.
too. That experience is very, very different.
That and also someone who hasn't like been to college and like started, like work.
Yeah.
So I mean, to sum it up, I think we would really love to hear any more stories that you guys have of college or anything around college, or
Yeah,
like
definitely.
just comment down below or DM us, and we'd really love to like react to them in a part
Yeah.
2 maybe. And we have another task for you. So if you stayed up until now, we would like for you to comment down one word that describes your entire college life.
We'll
Could
do
be
it too,
anything. We'll also comment it because
We'll
we
comment
gotta
it.
like
Yeah.
actually zero it
yeah,
down
yeah,
to
yeah.
one word.
Definitely.
It is very hard.
Hmm.
Why would I
Fine.
say it like that? I was like, किस चलो की चड्डी
So
पहनी है?
hard.
बता दो ना please.
एक word बता दो ना please.
This is like college where you're like, एक word तो बता भाई क्या है?
Start बता दे, आगे का लिख दूंगा, ठोक दूंगा, lyrics डाल दूंगा. And our listeners listening to us on Spotify, please do give us a good rating and follow us on Spotify as well.
Yeah. And I've
Yes.
heard that if you subscribe and like and share this to 10 people, you have 10 years of good luck. Can you believe it?
Yeah. I've also
Yeah,
heard it.
my
It's true.
Jyotish told me.
Love.
And
Hmm.
even if you don't, guys, do it because we like you a lot. And that's 75%. You need to like
You better
get
Amp
with
it up.
Press that red button. And we will
press
Red
करना है.
button.
कर दो.
press karna hai. We will see you in our next video. Till then,
Stay
stay
besharam.
besharam.
Bye.